This video is part of the adult education series on grammar. It covers subject-verb agreement.
Understanding subject-verb agreement is essential for writing clear and grammatically correct sentences. This concept requires that the verb in a sentence matches the subject in number and person. This means if the subject is singular, the verb must also be singular, and if the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. This rule helps ensure that sentences are understood as intended. Introduction to subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement is one of the foundational aspects of English grammar. It refers to the grammatical rule that the verb of a sentence must agree in number with its subject. Simply put, if the subject is singular, the verb must be singular, and if the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. Why is subject-verb agreement important? Proper subject-verb agreement is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps maintain sentence clarity and readability. Incorrect subject-verb agreement can lead to confusion and misinterpretation. For example, the sentence "the list of items are on the desk" should be "the list of items is on the desk," because list is a singular subject and needs a singular verb. Secondly, it enhances the quality of writing. Adhering to grammatical rules lends credibility to the text and the writer. Basic rules of subject-verb agreement. Singular subjects need singular verbs. Plural subjects need plural verbs. This is the most basic rule of subject-verb agreement. For example, the cat, singular subject, runs, singular verb, across the street. The cats, plural subject, run, plural verb, across the street. Do not be misled by phrases that come between the subject and the verb. Words or phrases that appear between the subject and verb do not affect the agreement. For example, the girl, along with her friends, is not excited for the trip. With compound subjects joined by and, use a plural verb. When two subjects are combined in a sentence with the conjunction and, a plural verb is used. For example, my friend and I are going to the movie. In cases where the subjects are joined by or nor, the verb agrees with the subject closer to it. This rule is particularly important in sentences where the subjects have different numbers. For example, either the teachers or the principal has to decide. Collective nouns may take either singular or plural verbs, depending on the context. If the group is being considered as a whole, use a singular verb. If the individuals in the group are being considered, use a plural verb. For example, the team is winning the game. The team acts as a single unit. The team are wearing their different jerseys today. Refers to individual members of the team. Exceptions and special cases. Subject-verb agreement can sometimes get tricky due to exceptions and special cases, such as A. Indefinite pronouns. Words like everyone, someone, each, neither, either are singular and require singular verbs. B. Collective nouns. As mentioned, these can take either singular or plural verbs based on the context. C. Titles of works, company names, or words like gymnastics or mathematics are singular and take a singular verb. Conclusion. Mastering subject-verb agreement enhances writing clarity and effectiveness. By understanding and applying the basic rules and recognizing exceptions, students can significantly improve their grammatical skills. Regular practice, such as identifying subjects and verbs in sentences and correcting errors in subject-verb agreement, can help solidify this knowledge. Remember, the key to mastering this aspect of grammar lies in consistent practice and application.
Let's check for understanding. Carefully read the following questions, pause the video, determine the best answer for each, and then restart the video to check your answer.
Which of the following sentences demonstrates correct subject-verb agreement? A. The committee meets every Thursday. B. The committee meet every Thursday. C. The committee meeting every Thursday. D. The committee are meeting every Thursday. The correct response is A. The committee meets every Thursday. Which sentence correctly uses subject-verb agreement with the word data? A. The data was analyzed thoroughly. B. The data were analyzed thoroughly. C. The data is analyzed thoroughly. D. The data has been analyzed thoroughly. The correct response is B. The data were analyzed thoroughly. Which sentence correctly demonstrates subject-verb agreement with compound subjects? A. Neither the manager nor the employees is available. B. Neither the manager nor the employees are available. C. Neither the manager nor the employees was available. D. Neither the manager nor the employees has been available. The correct response is C. Neither the manager nor the employees was available. Which sentence correctly uses subject-verb agreement with the word each? A. Each of the students have completed the assignment. B. Each of the students has completed the assignment. C. Each of the students are completing the assignment. D. Each of the students were completing the assignment. The correct response is B. Each of the students has completed the assignment.
This has been a production of DNJDesigns and Mathman1962. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up. If you want to be notified when new videos are posted, click the bell. And if you want to see more videos like this one, click on the subscribe button.